Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to add box shadow on all sides in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you'll have this sort of output. You can see I got an orange box here and there's a white shadow around it. This shadow is giving it a kind of a glowing effect, and this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need a div element. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. It will be style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Now select the div element. Give it a margin of 100 pixel and auto. Height will be 300 pixels. Width will be same, 300 pixels. Background color will be orange. Now to add a box shadow, we have to use box shadow property here. We'll make the horizontal offset 0. Same goes in case of vertical offset, 0. Blur radius will be 10 pixels. Spread will be 5 pixels. And the color will be white. Now that's all what you need to add a box shadow on all sides. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.